according to the U.S. Bureau of Labor and Statistics, tech jobs and occupations are projected to grow faster than average. So about 300 to 400,000 new openings per year for the next 10 years, right? So that's millions and millions and millions of jobs. Specifically, cybersecurity roles are expected to increase by 32% in the next decade. A lot of that is due to AI, right? Because AI right now is kind of like the Wild Wild West, kind of doing whatever the hell they want to do. And there's so many different layers and complexities that need to be put in place and work aside AI to make sure it's safe, make sure that it's not doing nothing crazy. So compliance is one part of cybersecurity, and just cybersecurity in general. If you do anything in cybersecurity, it's almost going to future-proof, fail-proof. No matter what the fuck they do with AI, they still need to make sure it's secure. Because if you let AI rock out on its own, it's no bueno, right? And a lot of times, if you do let it rock out on its own, it's not going to do shit anyway. That's one of the biggest things. AI is artificial intelligence, right? It is trying to replicate, duplicate, supplement for real intelligence, the shit that you got in your noggin, right? So with artificial intelligence, you have to make sure that it is aligned with cybersecurity. As AI grows, cybersecurity is going to grow as well. Cloud computing, another sector that's going to grow by at least 20%. And data and AI roles are probably going to either be right at the same amount as cybersecurity or a little bit more, right? So data, cloud computing, cybersecurity, all of those roles, all of those fields are going to continue to grow, continue to be in demand. Now, just understand cybersecurity, data, AI, all of these roles may be your end goal, but it may not be where you start, right? Just like baking a fucking cake. You got to have different ingredients. You got to have butter, sugar, cake mix, spices. I don't know what the fuck, whatever goes in a cake. You got to have all of those ingredients. And then you got to put them in the oven at the right temperature. Then at the end, you get a cake. It isn't just, okay, I got the ingredients, so bam, where the hell is the cake at? It's a process and procedures that you have to do, right? So you got to understand with AI and the growth of technology, it's not just in one place. It's all, every field you can think of is going to be impacted and affected by how fast things are growing, whether it's hospitals, logistics, retail, manufacturing, even government agencies. All of these places need to secure things, and they need to stay on track and on path and in line with all of the things that's going on, right?